Welcome to Hope Screen. If you want to turn off professional account on Instagram, first thing is just simply go ahead and select your profile icon at the bottom right. First thing is, of course, open up the Instagram application, guys. And from here, you can just simply select the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now once you are on your profile page over here, you should be able to see here the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Now from here, just simply scroll down a little bit and you should be able to see creator tools and controls. So tap on it, and from here, you should be able to see switch account type at the bottom. So tap on it. And from here, you should have an option switch to personal account. So in order for you to turn off your professional account, you have to switch to personal account over here. And this pop-up will show up and just simply select switch to personal account. And now just simply wait for it to be loaded up. And right after that, you should be able to turn off the professional mode into your account. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.